Door panel removal, you have to take this guy out. There's a 10mm bolt here. You gotta take this off, and it just comes this way. There's 2 bolts in here and 2 up here. And this surround removes as well in one piece. Okay, that's removed. You have 1 screw there to 10mm, 10mm. 10mm way down there in that hole. Then there's another one in that hole. You have those 2 10s. And then once you get those out, you can pop the door panel off. I usually take the glass out too, so what you'll need to do is remove these 2 bolts. This one back here, so you'll need to remove this one and loosen this one. And then you'll need to remove this one and this one back here. And to get to that one, or that one actually, you'll need to take the speaker out as well. And there's 1 clip holding it in, plus the wire. There's 2 bolts to take the glass out. They're both 12s. Take that one and that one. You can just loosen this one. This one actually goes through the window itself. So in the mirror you got 3 10s and a clip back here. And then what you can also do is remove this and the weather stripping. And you do that by pulling up and twisting. So this needs to come out. This is the sensor. It drops down. This bolt needs to come out. And this bolt needs to come out too. So there. Pop this open. Pull back. That. Wiggle it. And it pops out like that. And then you can fish that out. Okay. Then you're ready to wrap.